Hi everyone, welcome to Dee's Cabbage Dolls and Toys. I have such a treat for you guys. Oh my goodness. So, if you're familiar with the Cabbage Patch Kids and you're familiar with Cabbage Patch Kids Cuties, you are going to love this. This is the Cabbage Patch Kids Cutie Town figurine set. There are 4 in this package. There are 6 themes that you can collect, and you can also get individual Cutie Town figures. So this is my first set that I've got so far in the series. This is series 1, and this is the Zoo Friends. I really wanted to get more than I like. If they were available, I would have gotten as many as I possibly could, but I got it on Amazon, and this is the only one. Everything else was out of stock. I think there were 3 altogether that you could choose from at the time, but the other 2 were out of stock. So I got these. I plan on getting the entire collection. Like, I'm hooked. They are so cute. As you can see, I have not taken them out of the package yet, but I'm going to, and I'm going to do that with you guys.
Dee's Cabbage Dolls and Toys.
Welcome back, you guys. Okay, so this is going to be so much fun. I absolutely love these. They are so adorable. Look at this. Look at how cute they are. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to open them up. I've been waiting all day because I wanted to do this on film for you guys, on camera for you guys. So they're so cute. So it looks like a monkey, a lion, a giraffe, and then I guess a deer. Let's see what their names are. They are from the Zoo Friends collection. So it looks like Mallory Monkey, Leon the lion, Daisy giraffe, and Devin deer. So they are number 9, 10, 11, and 12 in the series. And this is series 1. Look at all of the different ones that you can collect. This is really awesome. I'm so happy that they came out with this. So this is made by, I want to say Wicked Cool Toys. Is it Wicked Cool Toys? I know that they, I'm pretty sure that they're the ones that make the cuties, the Cabbage Patch Kids cuties. Cabbage Patch Kids USA, CabbagePatchKids.com. Yes, Jazzwares. Jazzwares. And as far as I know, they, Wicked Cool Toys was underneath Jazzwares, but, that's what this one is saying. Cabbage Patch Kids 2021, original Appalachian artwork. Babyland General is registered trademark of original Appalachian artworks. So yeah, so this is made by Jazzwares, which I think is somehow affiliated with Wicked Cool Toys. But they're Cabbage Patch Kids, and they're just everything. I'm super excited, and I'm really hoping that this goes well, this first series, because if it does, I have a feeling that they will be coming out with, like, probably play sets and just a lot more stuff. And I love play sets. I love, you know, the little vinyl figurines, and I love stuff like this. You guys know I have a lot of this kind of stuff in my collection, not just with Cabbage Patch Kids, but with dolls and toys in general. So this is definitely right up my alley, and I know you guys are sick of hearing me talk, so I am going to open them up and take them out. I'll be right back so that you guys can see these cuties out of the box. So before I show you these little guys out of the box, I want to show you. So it came with this little pamphlet, and it says, Cabbage Patch Kids Cutie Town, Big Dreams Start Small, Series 1, Track Your Collection. So this is everything that's going to be in series 1. And so you can get the Fantasy Friends, the Farm Friends, the Zoo Friends, Forest Friends, Garden Friends, Exotic Friends, and single packs. Yeah, so there's going to be single packs. So far, all I've seen on the internet are these packs, and I haven't even seen them all. So, I'm excited. I'm really excited for this. I want to collect every single one of them. I love the cuties. I think they're so cute. I don't have tons of them, but I do have quite a few. But I love these little figures. They're so cute. So I'm going to show you. First, we'll show you the, let's see. So I'm going to try to remember everyone's names. So this looks like, I already said her name and I already forgot. Mallory. This is Mallory Monkey. Look at how cute is she. So cute. She's got her banana. Look at this is adorable little flower right there. I love the pink and the gray together. And then you got the little yellow, you know, bow tie. Very cute little Cabbage Cutie with blue eyes and eyelashes. And there's the back of her. She's got a little tail. It's too cute. So do their arms move? Yeah, their legs. Looks like their legs move a little bit. Pretty tight, but they do move. Oh, that's neat. So you can like pose them and stuff. Let's see their arms. It's kind of tight, but no, the arms don't really move. At least not on this one. But the legs do. Isn't she cute? Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm going to be checking Amazon like every day now to see if there's any more collections. So this is Devon Deer. Devon or Devon. And he's a little deer. Look at the antlers. It's too cute. Oh my goodness. These are so adorable. So they're just like the cuties. You know, the soft cuties that we know and love. But, you know, they're little figurines now. It's adorable. I'm so glad that they did this. He's got a little present in his hand, and again a little yellow bow tie, pink belly. It's too cute. So I don't know why they didn't make them for their arms to move, but the legs do move a little bit. So you got a little posability there, a little bit, and the head turns. So cute. The green eyes. Oh, I love the cuties. Look at how sweet their faces are. Okay. And then we have Leon the lion. Oh, I love Leon. Oh my goodness. I think he's my favorite. Too cute. Little mocha skin. And look at that. And the colors are so vibrant. Very, very vibrant and glossy, you know. Really nice. They don't look dull at all. And he's carrying a little orange ball with blue stars on it. And then in his mane up here, he's got some yellow stars. It's adorable. And oops. And then he's got a little tail back there. This is so cute. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay. And then who do we have left? We have Daisy Giraffe. Oh, this one's really cute too, you guys. Look at the bows up by her ears. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love her. I love them all. They're so cute. She's got her little giraffe spots everywhere. A little mane, I guess we'll call it. Love the ears and the little, what are these? Are these like antlers? Like, what are these called? Sometimes I just can't come up with the words for things. I know it, but too cute. And little tail on the back. I love it. I think that they did a really, really good job with these, you guys. I can't remember exactly how much. I want to say $12, 12 something, maybe $13 for the 4 of them. I don't know how much the single packs are going to be, but not a bad price at all. And, you know, keep your fingers crossed, because if these do well, I'm sure they're going to come out with play sets and all kinds of fun stuff. And I'm really, really hopeful. You know, I'm looking forward to seeing what's next. What's going to come next with these. Pretty excited. I'll let you guys look at everybody one more time. They're cute. The cuties are great anyways. It's just little happy, half animal, half babies, I guess. I never really figured out exactly what they are, but they're in the Cabbage family. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun. I was looking forward to getting this package in the mail. I got it today, and I waited because I wanted to share it with you guys as always. And I hope that you really enjoyed it, because I did. And I'm really looking forward to finding, you know, seeing what's coming next with the Cutie Town. This is called Cutie Town. I know I found them on Amazon. I'm not sure who else is selling them right now. The only ones I've seen so far is Amazon, but I don't know. Check Walmart, the Cabbage Patch Kids fan page, you know, babyland.com. You can try that, or cabbagepatchkids.com. Maybe they might even be having some on their website soon. So if you guys love the cuties, you're going to love these guys. You really, really are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.